everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have another case unboxing with Velvet Caviar, and we are looking at this Playboy Bunny glitter case. I've always been a fan and I love pink, so this case I had to get. This pink and glitter is everything. I absolutely love it. And of course, I had to download me a Playboy Bunny screensaver to match it. So this is how it's looking on my 16 Pro Max. Just beautiful. They do have a matching battery pack, phone charm, and phone grip if you want to get the whole set. But I just wanted to get the case, and I love it. One thing I love about their cases, they protect the phone perfectly. This was something new in the pack. It's like a scratch off, and you can win something. And surprisingly, I won something. I got the MagSafe wallet that sticks on the back of the phone. So I thought that was pretty cool. Next, I ordered the Caviar crystal case in chrome to match my 16 Pro Max. And it is beautiful. This video actually doesn't do justice how beautiful this is in person. This case is different from other crystal cases. You can tell that the crystals are going to last and not fall out on this case. They also have a chrome charm you can add to complete your phone in case. That's on the site. But for me, I'm going to use one of my old charms because it has a little bit of silver, and you know I love pink. And I'm going to add it to this. I think it'll be so cute together. But that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I have another case video coming soon. Bye.